We all make certain assumptions in life, like people that wear eyeglasses are smart, or blondes have more fun, or white men can't jump. And of course, the obvious one, women can't make sound effects noises. But you know what they say about assumptions, so I'm here in Balboa Park today in San Diego, California, in search of the perfect female sound effects master. Let's get to it, shall we? I am trying to conduct a little bit of a social experiment. What I'm looking for is the girl that can do the best sound effects. And I think you two look like you could have a good run at it. So you up for this? I will take that as a yes. How about a horse?
No, sorry. Seriously?
Yeah.
No, I'm sorry.
How about like a car?
No, thank you.
Well, what does your machine gun sound like? Come on. Would you give it the honest college effort?
You know, no.
Sound effects, I can do
Okay.
a bell. I don't know. I mean,
You do a very good bell. How about like an elephant?
well, it goes with this thing, you
Yeah.
know, like the trunk.
Yeah.
I don't really know. Help me out here, Savannah.
Look at your elephant.
Go for it.
That's how elephants do that low.
Ooh, I see what you were going there. It sounded like you had beans last night, but I know what you were going for. I mean, literally looking over my shoulder, I feel like there's an elephant. That was amazing.
A machine gun.
Okay. Bam, 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 bam.
That was like on the side of a ship or something. It's like, how about like a car screeching around a corner?
Or
You can do
knocking
this.
over a bicyclist.
Blam! Rah!
My voice, sorry, my voice is.
That's your best car screeching around a corner.
Blam!
Blam. Okay. How about what would it sound like if you punched somebody?
Blam!
Yes. What's a dog sound like?
Blam!
Yeah, that's what I thought. What would a laser gun sound like?
Pew, pew, pew. Like that? Maybe they're like little lasers. Like
Yeah.
pew, pew, pew. Pew, 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 pew. Pow. No. Pow, pow.
I don't know. I guess this isn't my forte.
Let me borrow this for a second. What about like a lightsaber sound? No, that's like a little.
cat. That was like
That's a little cat.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
That is it. You've heard sirens. You must have been pulled over before.
Yeah.
I bet you don't get a lot of tickets though.
That was like when the cop pulls up behind you, siren, and it just does one.
Wah, wah, woo, woo.
Wow. That sounded like a 70s movie you'd see on Cinemax after midnight. Ladies, I really appreciate the effort. Thank you so much. High five. Enjoy Earth Day.
Thank you.
Get out of here,
You
Kayla.
enjoy Earth Day.
Yes,
Yeah, thank
of
you for
course.
that. That was a good time.
Blam! And then normally we don't hold it, but that's okay. There it is. Now go tell your mom to be nicer to people.
Mom, you should be nicer to people.
We all make certain assumptions in life, like people that wear eyeglasses are smart. Jackasses will jump in front of the camera at any chance they get, and that I'm gonna stop just because of that douchebag. But that's not true.